This movement is the single arm Clubbell inside circle to outside circle. So all we need is one Clubbell. Going to begin in the order position. So your forearm at 90 degrees, your elbow pinned into your side. I'll first show you the inside circle and the outside circle separately, and then I'll combine the two, showing you the full version of this exercise. So for the inside circle, we want to rotate across our body, pivot the hips, and then you're gonna throw the club, let it swing and catch on the other side with your forearm at 90 degrees, your arm out, and then you pull it into your side. You pull your elbow into your side. So here's the inside circle, catch, pull it into your side, and then straighten out. So that's the first part of the movement. I'll show you once more. Catch, straighten. So the outside circle, we keep the same arm, but we're gonna rotate the other way. So we rotate away. So now we're facing this way. Again, we're gonna throw the Clubbell, let it swing and catch across our body, keeping the elbow pinned in, and then straightening out. So I'll show you once more. So rotate away, throw the Clubbell, catch, and then pull it in to the side of your body. So that's the inside circle, outside circle. So now we're gonna combine the two all in one movement. So to begin, order position. So inside circle, catch, straighten out, and then now rotate. Outside circle, rotate, inside circle, straighten out, mess that up, and then outside circle, and then straighten. Okay, so again, this would be a combination exercise. We're combining two exercises, and I like it just because you're rotating both ways. Great for your core, your obliques, rotating the hips. And after a while, you're really working your forearm as well and your bicep because that club gets really heavy. So again, single arm Clubbell, inside circle to outside circle.